I want to introduce you to a term that you really need to know if you do any type of virtual communication, and that is this: cheating for the camera. Now, I know cheating sounds terrible, but hear me out. Cheating is necessary for the camera because the camera reads things differently. And if we don't adjust for that, the audience won't have the best possible experience. So, for example, actors are often asked to cheat for the camera on set when they're having conversations, because normally we would only see their profile if they were talking to the person next to them. So the director will say, cheat out for the camera so that we can see their expression and their reaction. Otherwise, we wouldn't have the same experience. They also have to stand a lot closer together than they ever would if they were standing in person, which is kind of awkward. They're really in each other's faces, which is why they call them mouthwash shots. Now, if you have ever presented in person, you have likely made some cheats or adjustments in your behavior for the benefit of your audience already. For example, you've probably adjusted your body when you're standing in front of a screen so that the audience can see both you and your presentation. You've likely adjusted your body language and your voice to fit the size of the room and the audience. So on camera, these are just adjustments that we need to make specific to this medium for the benefit of our virtual audience. So I'm going to share with you a couple. And the first one is you have to look at the camera. Probably no surprise there. It's counterintuitive, I know, but it won't feel to your audience like you're looking at them, like you're engaged and listening, unless you look at the camera. The second one is you have to learn the video body language that works. I call them video-friendly gestures, and they are within frame, they are specific and purposeful and not fast and distracting to your audience. And thirdly, you have to ramp up your energy. See, the camera takes away a big chunk of your energy already, and you certainly can't count on a virtual audience to help you build up that energy. So you have to bring even more energy on camera than you think is necessary. So those are just a couple of cheats. And if you'd like to see more, you can click the link below and download my free cheat sheet. Now, remember, cheats are for the benefit of your audience. So not only do you have permission to cheat, but your audience will thank you for it.